Brand sent over this ceiling fan cleaner and duster kit for me to check out, and it makes cleaning those really high, hard to reach spots around the house so much easier. The main feature is this detachable pole that extends up to 77 inches, which means you can easily clear out dust and cobwebs without having to drag out a heavy ladder every single time. The main fan duster attachment is designed to slide right over standard fan blades, so it grabs dust from both the top and the bottom at the same time without blowing it everywhere. You can also get a couple of extra attachment heads in the kit, including a cobweb duster and a soft dusting pad, which are super handy for high corners, window blinds, air vents, and baseboards. The microfiber material grabs onto dust really well, and when you're done, the pads just pop right off so that you can throw them straight into the washing machine to reuse next time. Plus, once everything is clean, the whole kit breaks down and packs away neatly into the storage bag it comes with, so that you don't have to lose parts sitting around in your closet.